In a quaint classroom, bathed in warm sunlight, a group of young felines gathered eagerly around their wise mentor, Professor Whiskers. Professor Whiskers' keen gaze fell upon a peculiar object that had somehow found its way into their midst, sparking intrigue in the tiny hearts of his pupils. The mischievous youngster, known for his insatiable curiosity, Oliver tentatively approached the strange artifact, unaware of the chaos his inquisitiveness would unleash. In their earnest efforts to rectify the mess, the classroom descended into utter chaos, with books toppled and toys scattered in haphazard disarray. Determined to right their wrongs, the young felines banded together, their fur tousled and eyes alight with a newfound sense of unity and purpose. As the revered teacher returned, a knowing gleam in his eyes, the kittens watched with bated breath, awaiting his guidance and wisdom. With a gentle yet firm tone, Professor Whiskers weaved a tale that held within it a profound lesson, captivating the young felines with its timeless wisdom. Faced with unexpected trials, the kittens found themselves thrust into a situation that tested not just their knowledge, but also their bond as a cohesive unit. In a pivotal moment of unity, the kittens drew upon their newfound knowledge and camaraderie, facing adversity with courage and resilience. With the classroom now tidied and bathed in the gentle hues of dusk, the kittens lingered, hearts aglow with the warmth of shared lessons learned and bonds strengthened.